Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and Gbird. Following that, go into Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!